Hello everyone, I'm Jackie. Today we are going to talk about RIP protocol. It has been phased out and is no longer in use. The first, we need to know why it was phased out. We all know that routers use routing protocols to pass routing information and calculate best paths for data transmission. That means choosing which interface to send data from. RIP select best paths based on the number of hops, which means each router crossed is counted as one hop. However, this approach is not very scientific. For example, if the destination on the left is reached through 3 devices and the right is 5 devices, although the left side have few hops, its bandwidth is only megabits, while right side has more hops but has a bandwidth of 10 gigabits. It's better to choose the large bandwidth. Therefore, RIP is phased out in terms of selecting routing principles, and you don't need to understand it in detail. Okay, that's all for our sharing today. If you have any other question, please leave a comment below and remember to subscribe my channel. See you next time, everybody.